Okay, so we just walked down to their water source, which is beezy infested and extremely dirty. However, that's the only water they got, and their charcoal is limited, so they honestly cannot boil all of their water. So your donations and your support is going to putting a well in their village so they don't have to make this walk every day, up to multiple times a day, to bring dirty water, which is causing their children to be sick, and so on. So just want to again thank all the Epic Angels that donated to support this beautiful cause. They're very grateful. Say hi. No hands. Oh.